To Moo Math, where we upload a new math video every day. In this video, I'd like to show how to multiply mixed fractions, whole numbers, and fractions. Okay, so let's go ahead and begin. Say we have this mixed number 1.5 times 4. Well, how do you multiply this? Well, the first thing you should do is convert the mixed number into an improper fraction. And the way you do is you multiply the bottom number times the whole number and then add the top number on the fraction. So here we go. So we go 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. So we got 3 halves times. And when you have a whole number, you can always write it as a fraction. Just write the number over 1. Okay? And then in multiplication, you just multiply straight across. So we have 3 times 4, which is equal to 12. And 2 times 1 is 2. And then I can simplify this by dividing 12 divided by 2, which is 6. Because 6 times 2 is 12. Okay? What about if we just have a fraction and a whole number? So I will rewrite the fraction and just place the whole number over 1 and then multiply straight across. 1 times 24 is 24 and 6 times 1 is 6. And I know that 6 goes into 24 4 times, and so it becomes a 4. Okay? Now, what do we do if we have two mixed numbers? Well, again, we convert them into improper fractions. 2 times 5 is 10 plus 1 is 11 halves times 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4, so that becomes 4 thirds. And then 11 times 4 is 44, and 2 times 3 is 6. And now I can simplify that by dividing 44 by 6. 6 goes into 44. Let's see, what is that? 6 times 7 is 42. Okay, so we have a 7 there, and then 42. So we now have 2 remaining, so I can write that as 2, 6, and I can reduce that. 2 will go into 6 3 times, so that will be 1/3. So it becomes 7 1/3. Okay? So that's when you have two mixed numbers. Now, what about if you have a division? So I have this fraction, 5/8 divided by 10. I'm going to write 10 over 1. Okay, and then I'm going to keep the 5/8. I'm going to change the division and flip and create its reciprocal, 1/10. So 5 times 1 is 5. 8 times 10 is 80. And then I know I can further reduce this because 5 goes into 80. So 5 divided by 5 is 1. 5 into 80 is 16. Okay? And last but not least, our very last one is we have a whole number and a mixed fraction again. Mixed number, not a mixed fraction. So I'll go 9 over 1 times, convert this to an improper fraction. 3 times 3 is 3, plus 1 is 10 over 3. 9 times 10 is 90. 1 times 3 is 3. And 3 will go into 90 30 times. So that's our last answer. Hope that helps with multiplying, dividing, mixed numbers, whole numbers, and fractions. Moo Math uploads a new math video every day. Please subscribe and share.